Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, I am your computer teacher, Ms. Ram Fatma. And the topic that we have started is Features of Word 2013. And this is Unit 5 of the topic. The name of Unit 5 is Change Case. Our IBAT is I will be able to discuss about the change case feature of MS Word. What is the name of the feature? Change case. Okay, what is change case? A tool which helps us to change between lowercase, uppercase, sentence case. Look at the icon very carefully. This is the icon of change case, and change case is a feature of Microsoft Word. There are 5 cases when we are typing a document in Microsoft Word. Actually, what is a case? It is the style of the text how we are typing. Either we want it in the uppercase, the capital ABC, the lower case, small ABC, sentence case, title case, or toggle case. So these are the definitions of the different cases, and we can change the case as per our requirement. The first case is sentence case. This option capitalizes the first letter of each sentence in the selection. Look at the sentence that I have written in the bracket. This is a cat. The sentence is written in sentence case. It means that only the first letter is capital. The second case is lower case. This case makes all the selected text lowercase, means all the text will appear in the small case, small ABC. See the look at the sentence I have written in the bracket. This is a cat. All the letters are in small ABCs, lowercase. The third case is uppercase. This option capitalizes each letter in the selection. It means that the whole sentence will be written in the capital ABC, which is called uppercase. Look at the sentence. This is a cat. The whole entire sentence is written in the uppercase. The next case is title case. This option capitalizes the first letter of each word in the selection. This is a cat. The first letter of each word is a capital letter. The last case is the toggle case. As the name says, this option switches the case of each letter in the selection. Lowercase becomes uppercase and uppercase becomes lowercase. Look at the sentence. This is a cat. Wherever the first letter was small, it became capital, and the rest of the letters were capital, they became small. So it switches the case of the letter in the selection. So how many cases are there? There are 5 cases. And here we are going to discuss how we can change the case of the text. Whatever we have written, how we can change the case of the text. Look at the icon of the change case feature of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2013 allows us to change the case of typed text to any one of the specified text. How many cases are there? There are 5 cases. Name them: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. The keyboard shortcut for changing case is Shift plus F3. Sometimes after typing text, we need to change the case. The change case option in Microsoft Word helps us to do it. Now we will discuss the steps that will help us to change the case of the text in the document. Select the text for which you want to change the case. Click the Home tab. In the font group, click the Change Case button. Click the desired option in the drop down menu. So what you will do, first of all you will click the Home tab, then in the font group click the Change Case button, and finally select the case that you want. Hope you have enjoyed this video. In the reference video you can learn the practical demonstration of how to change the case of your text. Have a nice day. Goodbye.